Well, let's take a look at what the International Residential Building Code book says. This is the 2022 version, and this information can be found online also, about whether or not a door can actually swing or open over a stairway. And yes, believe it or not, this will include either direction, except for on the inside of the building, where the door can open in either direction. However, there is an exception to this rule, and that would be exterior screen or storm doors that can open over a stairway. And I really don't know what the deal is here. However, the building code does allow it as long as the measurement from the top of the threshold to the top of the finished stair tread is less than 7 3/4 inches, which is also the maximum rise for a stairway in buildings with less than 50 occupants. Now keep in mind also that this might not be approved for a public stairway or a building with more than 50 occupants. And you should always check with your local building and safety department to verify all of the information you find on the internet. Because believe it or not, your area might not be using these particular building codes.